Imagine looking through a window that slowly fogs over, day after day. Colors fade, lights glare, until you navigate the world through thick, frosted glass. That slow, isolating fade is the reality for over 90 million people worldwide suffering from cataracts. To see exactly why this happens, look at this cross-section of a healthy eye. Light enters through the front, the cornea, passes the pupil, and hits a completely transparent natural lens. That lens bends the light, passing it cleanly through to the back of the eye, where it's focused into a sharp point on the retina. But as we age, the proteins that make up that crystal clear lens begin to break down. They clump together, turning the lens cloudy and yellow. Now, instead of passing cleanly through, the incoming light hits those dead proteins and scatters in all directions. A cataract is a physical, mechanical barrier of degraded protein blocking the light. Left alone, it creates a persistent fog that eventually blocks enough light to cause severe visual impairment. There's a persistent myth that you have to wait for a cataract to become completely ripe, or wait until you're nearly blind, before doctors can do anything about it. Modern medicine approaches this entirely differently. Surgeons perform a highly precise, stitch-free procedure while you are fully awake, using only numbing eye drops. What takes decades of slow biological decay to obscure your vision can now be physically removed and replaced in under 20 minutes. The intervention begins before you even enter the operating room. Doctors carefully map your eye, measuring the curvature of your cornea and the exact length of the eyeball to calculate the precise strength needed for your new lens. Once you're in the chair, the surgeon makes their entry. They create a microscopic incision at the edge of the cornea, usually only 2 to 3 millimeters wide. Next, they cut a perfectly circular opening into the incredibly thin membrane, called the capsule, that securely holds your cloudy natural lens in place. This micro-breach is engineered specifically so surgical tools can access the damaged biology inside without needing a single traditional suture to heal afterward. Through that microscopic tunnel, the surgeon introduces the primary tool of the operation, a tiny, hollow ultrasound probe. They deploy a technique called phacoemulsification. It's a highly targeted form of mechanical destruction. As you can see in this animation, the tip of the probe vibrates tens of thousands of times every second. These rapid acoustic waves strike the dense, cloudy mass of protein, instantly shattering it into microscopic fragments. At the exact same time, a gentle suction is activated through the center of the hollow probe. It vacuums up every single shattered piece of the old lens. This highly controlled excavation removes the degraded biological material while leaving the fragile outer capsule perfectly intact, ready to hold its replacement. Now comes the upgrade. The surgeon prepares a synthetic replacement called an intraocular lens, or IOL. Because the incision in the eye is so small, this new lens starts tightly folded inside a microscopic injector. The injector is placed through the original incision. As it's pushed into the empty biological capsule, the synthetic lens slowly unrolls itself into a flat, perfectly clear disc. To keep it precisely centered, flexible arms called haptics extend from the edges of the lens. They press firmly against the inner walls of the capsule, locking the new synthetic hardware rigidly into place. With the cloudy decay entirely gone and a clear synthetic material secured in its place, light immediately travels uninterrupted to the retina once again. The physical operation ends right there. The tools are withdrawn, the tiny incision seals itself under the eye's natural pressure, and patients usually return home within hours. The timeline for visual recovery is remarkably fast. By the very next day, people typically wake up to sharper details and colors that appear vividly bright again. And because the new lens is entirely synthetic, it is completely immune to the protein decay that caused the problem in the first place. An artificial lens cannot develop a cataract. A process of slow biological failure that took decades to build up is halted by an immediate, highly engineered technological fix that lasts a lifetime. This chart highlights the extreme medical reliability of the procedure. In uncomplicated cases, the success rate exceeds 95%, a metric that scales across millions of successful surgeries globally every single year. This reliability means that millions of people regain the clarity needed to navigate traffic at night, recognize faces across a room, and read without the interference of a physical barrier. By replacing one cloudy lens with a clear synthetic disc, this 20-minute procedure functions as a permanent biomechanical reset, ensuring the world remains in sharp, unobstructed focus.